Okay, hi Form 4 and Form 5 students. So this is continuation untuk function soalan 7 and this is trial Negeri Sembilan paper 1. Okay, the function of hx and the function of gx is given. Kita nak cari ghx, that means we are going to do composite. Okay, kita nak gabungkan. We are going to gabungkan gh. So let's start by writing down the hx first. Okay, what is hx? 2x minus 1. Okay, so we ganti inside here. Okay, which part you're going to ganti actually? You're going to ganti into the x. Okay, ke dalam x. So, negative 4, 2x minus 1 tambah 2. So, now let's kembangkan. We expand this, so we get negative 8x plus 4 plus 2. So, negative 8x tambah with 6. Okay, this is our GHX. So, settle the first dua markah. Okay, be hence. Okay, see this word ayat ni. Seterusnya, very important. Whenever you see seterusnya, that means you must use the previous answer. Perlu guna jawapan sebelumnya. Okay, you have to use the previous answer. Okay, find the value of x apabila GH x over 2 sama dengan 2. Okay, so we use the information yang telah diberi. Okay, so okay, GH x over 2. I think we can terus ganti this sebab kita kan dah ada GHX kan. So, kita terus gantilah inside this information, alright? Negative 8. So, we straight away put x over 2 plus 6 equals to 2. Okay, so I think this one we can like pindah go there. This one dah boleh potong. Negative 4x. This one 2 tolak 6. Negative 4 also. Then pindah go down, so it's bahagi. So final answer x adalah positive 1. Okay, easy easy 2 marks here. So kindly subscribe. Okay, continue to follow teacher for more video series. Kita keep on doing for the other chapters also. I'll see you in the next question. Bye bye.